My husband and I have been doing some tiny art. Isn't it beautiful? That's his. That's a blue wren of mine. These are the way that we arrange them at the back. And we're going to show you how to do that today. I have some tiny art here that needs putting together, so we're going to show you how we finish the tiny art using these tools. Okay, so I'm just going to super glue this tiny art in. Good, there's no super glue on the other side, which is good. I have some thick matte card here, so it's usually used for mats around artwork, but today we're going to be using it for this. I'll just check if this fits in. If not, I'll just cut a little bit more off till it does. Oops. Okay. Oh, just about. Oh, that's a really good fit, just about. Cut a little bit more off. Beautiful. So now I will get the awl and I'll puncture a couple of holes here for the string that's going to go across. Okay, this is an awl. I usually use it for dressmaking, but today I'm going to be using it to put a couple of holes in here. My husband says that the best place to put these holes,
the higher you put them, the less it doesn't, the centre of gravity doesn't pull. If you go halfway, the painting will tilt more, so the higher the better.
So there's a bit of piece of advice for you. Just going to make sure this goes right through. Beautiful. Oh, maybe that hole's a little bit too big. Oh, 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 oh. Is that okay, sir?
Yeah, it's easier to put the string through.
Okay, good. Now we have our string. I'm just going to cut that. Right, I'm just going to put this through here. Just making a little bit of a give in there. Okay, just going to glue this in now. Just going to make sure it touches against the wood. Okay, voila. And then I'm going to pop this in. Alright, so we usually put these labels onto our artwork, so I'm just going to trim it down and then glue that on the back. I just print this on the regular printer, just using regular glue stick. Just in the centre, you reckon? Go across. I'm just using my finger just to make sure that's in the center. There we go, beautiful. Okay, so this is our tiny art completed and finished. So I always like to have a little bit of give in the string so that it doesn't tilt too much. And yeah, it's ready to be placed in the gallery. Thank you for watching this tutorial and hope to see you in the gallery soon. Bye bye!